Abahangu aba besirwe enganzi y'ihanga Robin Nabanja okuganira aha nshonga z'obushubuzi n'oburambuzi ebyagambirweho mu rukiiko orwabiire omu London omu Rubungereza omu kwezi kwa 10 omwaka ogwire.
We are delighted and excited today to have hosted our first India-UK trade mission to Uganda. So our focus today was taking them to the Kapeeka Industrial Park for them to be able to see the industries that we have, the manufacturing as well as the free zone. We also had a greater conversation about potential investments in terms of equity, manufacturing and partnering with Ugandan manufacturers.
Orukiiko oru ruhikirwemu na General Salem Saleh kandi High Commissioner wa Uganda omu United Kingdom. Ambassador Nimisha Madvan najanga orukiiko oru nirwija kwera Uganda okugoba mu nkwatanisa y'obushubuzi n'oburambuzi.
Uganda stands at a defining moment in her economic transformation. Under our ATMS and NDP program, the mission's economic commercial diplomacy strategy, we are advancing an ambitious yet achievable mission, a tenfold expansion of our economy towards a $500 billion.
Now, I think our delegation, it's only day 3 of the WABA visit, but it probably feels like a lifetime in a good way. They've been to Ginger, they've been to Kapeeka, they've eaten Ugandan food and drink, they've even managed to partake of the nightlife. I don't know how they fitted it in.
Lawrence Robertson, Chief Executive wa Westminster Africa Business Association kuruga United Kingdom, n'abatahi be basimira Uganda ahabwo kutaha emiringo y'okutungura ihanga.
But we also look at the impressive growth which you have in this country, and we saw it on the industrial park we visited today. There are huge opportunities, there's great ambition, and there are tremendous prospects. Now, as I say, we've got a membership organisation, we've got interests in the ATMs, which we've heard so much about, and we've covered very many sectors.
Okay, so I want to say thank you, General. Because of you and your name came in, and I'm so grateful. I've seen in my life the first coffee plant in my life.
Aba amana bagatira mu by'obuhingi oburambuzi obushubuzi ebyamagara amashanyarazi amajuta science and technology ebyakalimagezi n'ebindi gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.